Okay, I'll see you in an hour. Is that cool? Can you scuff everything like we talked? And just. That was actually they asked me what do you want to do with your insert? I want an orange number. Yeah, I like that. I didn't know if it was automatic or stick. I didn't know. What's 480? The GT 350 is 5.
It was just a pace car. So it just led the laps of the race.
What car you want?
I knew him, so.
it's probably more like.
Because when it's running, it's going out.
I got it straight under here already.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, you can't tell. Yeah.
White,
Right.
The dinner there's like $100.
We're already going to Kalamazoo. I got a July. We're going out to Kalamazoo to the
Still looking.
Did you stop for 1 second? See, like the second or third row, like
Yeah.
the first row against the fence, in the middle of that. You go down there, a guy's got a whole bunch of free hot wheels for kids.
Yay.
Sam was like, he's at urgent care, not emergency, urgent care. He's like, urgent care.
I can't remember what.
So nice.
One thing comes to my mind when I hear that noise. Sexy.
I'm gonna be out of town though.
North Carolina? No. Your granddaughter's going back. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's a guy over here.
And he thought he was only like 30 or 40 feet off the ground. Yeah. So he shut down the throttle, and he was over 70 feet off the ground.
Way back then.
And there's a lot of things that are missing.
7 or 8 or something.
Yeah, that's where it leads.
11 grand, I'm not your guy.
I didn't taste the soda.
He's going to be annoyed.
Hey, don't listen to the sun a little longer.
Yeah, it's just the way it is. We'll see ya. All right, thanks, Frank.
We had a pacer too. I hated that. It was right behind the police station. We'd be back there doing donuts. We just trashed that car. It was a nice guy.
No, never.
I have my T-shirt that I don't particularly like.
But it's a two-piece with a big ship there, right? John was looking at a house to buy. Marquette, Henry Ruff.
Okay, that's just passing around.
Yeah, that's fine.
This house is huge. Oh my God. It's like, it's the same paint and everything.
That was what Shaky's wife Val said.
Don't worry about it.
We're going to finish that roll and then go with the other one.
Causing trouble.
Because they don't lift the forks out, you know, and they weigh it. But we always do the noise.
Nothing much.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Good.
Okay, I got it.
This is my new technical advisor.
Nice. Oh, okay.
Just because I'm like, I don't need.
Like I got it.
Hey, come over. You know, and you're a zombie, man.
Yeah.
I mean, you can be a zombie.
That thing's been packed. That thing's been a good car for Edmund.
Installed them. And I started it, and I got a few more feet. They got them laying around everywhere. I got ready.
That's the only make so many a year because.
4 cars. Didn't it rain last year though?
Yeah. Yeah, because they had the bus races yesterday.
Get them under the big wheels. That should go easy.
Everybody's pretty good back there.
Freshman year.
He would love this. Champagne does not love that.
Right down in front of me.
Good seeing you. Yep.
Them buses were crashed. They were crashed. Tip it over, girl. Yeah, tip it over. You know what the other. They were tipping over. Now, Kim, they were tipping over and the one.
What recording?
I thought you were
Finally able to do it because I made it even possible.
He bought it sight unseen. Of course, when we got it here, we got it up in Jackson. Nobody's gonna get it from where I was on.
What the hell you doing over here? You were over there. Over there was ugly enough. This ball's a lot better. Yeah. You just want the bird.
I like it. It's got something about something won't see.
Yeah.
This is the best ones. They're on this side.
There you go. Thank you.
Which one? That one?
purple. Yeah. That's it.
It'll be cleaned out eventually. We'll probably have a car of ours to work on.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So how many cars you got?
Just a few, no more coming. Only 6.75 miles.
Yeah, you got a nice shot. So, would you dip? Was in service or?
Yeah, because I had melanoma. My groin
Oh, Charlie, so it's I got his is as clean as this.
Yeah, I was watching. Yeah, I was watching.
Yeah.
No way.
She knows. You should have listened to her, Tony.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. No, I'm getting a new transmission. It'll be like a brand new car.
I left work a little early Friday with Lake Golf at St. John's. Then I went
Maybe about that. No, that's what was left. But it wasn't going to hit the line if we kicked that.